Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is a plant mail. We have plant mail, guys. Well, plant mail. And of course, you know, it always comes, the UPS or USP, well, UPS always delivers when after 5. So I have this. Bring this down some, maybe. Oh, we'll do it that way. Yep. Okay. So this is an unboxing of my latest plant. Please handle with care. I ordered these plants from a TikToker. It's a TikTok shop, plant TikTok shop, Runo Plants, based out of Florida. I've ordered from them before. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 4th plant from them. Quality, very, very good. And because it's colder, I've been getting the heat protection pad or whatever. Runo Plants, love free plants. Okay. And this is a thank you note that I am getting. Just have to burn myself up. Okay. So as you can see, here's the packaging. So it comes in this I think this is the insulation for the weather, because I think their protocol is they recommend you get a insulation and heating pad. Y'all, this is really packed really well. So I ordered 2 plants for them, fast shipping. I ordered them last week. So dangerous with this daggone thing. And it's still warm. That is so cool. I love his lives. I don't know if you guys have TikTok, but I love his lives, and they always send me quality products, quality plants. So I'm never really, I've yet to be disappointed. And I know some people don't order plants during the winter, and they actually they won't ship to certain areas. Like I know for Illinois, the Midwest, I don't think they, excuse me. Ooh, get in there. Sorry. I don't think they ship to the Midwest during the winter months. And I got my PJs on, so I gotta be careful. So let's do this unveiling. This is the first plant. And I hope, because you know it's been cold here in North Carolina, so I'm hoping it turns out not as damaged. Oh, here we go. The first plant, y'all. Very well packaged. They did an amazing job with this. Like, yes. What is this? Oh goodness. Okay. This is the Anthurium Queen of Hearts. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know my mind goes blank a lot of times. And I'm just looking at my order. And let's see what this is. Because I've ordered so many Anthuriums. Yeah, Queen of Hearts. I was right. But this has been on my list to get. This is a 6-inch that they package very well. I have a new emergent here. And I have another Anthurium Magnificum, and it came with this, but the seller that I bought that one from didn't do their due diligence as far as packaging it as best as they could for this weather. So I know not to order for them again during the colder months, right? So this is what we have. Is she not beautiful? Look at those dark leaves. And I've been going to the nurseries here in Charlotte, and I think this one might have lost this one, but that's okay. One leaf, you know what I mean? Out of all of them, is this, I am in love. Like, I'm truly, truly in love. And look at this packaging. Look at how they made sure it was secure. They made sure that it was very well protected against the elements and the cold. And they took diligent. And I will say, it's a little wet here. I'm hoping that it being here in my plant room, and the humidity is where it is, and the temperature is, that leaf is viable. But this is plant number 1, and this is the Anthurium Queen of Hearts. It is beautiful. It actually lived up to my expectations. I love it. I'm gonna wait probably till tomorrow because I don't want to get my PJs messed up. Okay. Oh, love that one. And then I have the other one. I love vining plants. And okay, I love vining plants, and this one had been on my list. They had the Mandula. I have the Mandula. Yeah, the Mandula and the what's the other one, y'all? The other one with the variegation. It's not the Mandula because I have it here. I can't think of the name right now. Yeah, I have so much going on. My husband got sick all of a sudden, so it's probably lack of sleep that I cannot remember anything right now. And I'm trying to be careful with the packaging. Okay. Let's open this together. I'm still, oh, that Queen of Hearts is gorgeous. It looks better in person than it does on video. It's not doing it justice. And let me tell you, the way they package these plants, it's still warm. The heat pad that they put in here, it is still warm. I'm trying to be gentle. I think they should have used maybe a bigger box. It's fine. This is a growing, like I said, a vining. This is a Pothos, one of my Pothos. And yes, this is actually an 8-inch pot, which I thought was a great deal. Because again, I've been, the big box stores have stepped up their game, and they have a lot of plants that were on my wish list that I was able to get over the summer. And the Mandula was there, and why can I not think of the other one, y'all? The Marble Lord, the Marble Queen, right? So, but this one, for some reason, they didn't have them, and it's been on my list, and trying to be okay. Let me put it down. Okay, and I'm gonna lift it up. Oh, good job, Runo, with the packaging. This was so secure, it wasn't going anywhere. Oh my God. This is my Snow Queen. Is it not beautiful? Look how lush. Look at the variegation on this. Look at it. And I know the more light it receives, the better the variegations will be. But y'all, this was so worth the wait. I knew I was waiting on the perfect option for me to buy, and this is perfect, y'all. I'm loving it, and I'm impressed. I'm impressed, and I'm also satisfied. These have been beautiful, and the shipping wasn't didn't wait. It wasn't long. I think it took them. I ordered them on a Friday. I received it on a Thursday, so the following Thursday. So great. And they have free shipping. If you are on TikTok and you want to order plants, Runo Plants is very reputable, and they have really good plants, y'all, and very great customer service. They do. I've yet to be disappointed with any plants that I've received from them, even with these cold weather months. Look at this. Is this not lovely? This is the Snow Queen. I'm gonna rinse her off because she has this going on, but that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I don't want to get my PJs dirty. You know, skincare and whatnot, they always interrupt me. And, well, not interrupt me, but it never fails. And my husband's about sick of me too with these plants. I love this. Do you guys have a Snow Queen? I was waiting on the big box stores to get them because I'm like, okay, well, it's a Pothos. Why don't you have it? But they just, the Mandula, and I was shocked that they had the Mandula available before they actually had the Pothos, the Snow Queen. But when he had it on his live, I was like, I'm bringing it down so you can see. I was like, oh, you have to come with me. Look at y'all. Do you guys have the Snow Queen? Not the Snow Queen, but the Queen of Hearts Anthurium. I can't wait. I'm gonna let it acclimate to my surroundings, to the home and to the plant house and to this room specifically, and then I am going to repot it. My goal is to have all my plants either in leca moss combination pond, or my own pond mixture, or the soil free mixture that I have going on with orchard bark and perlite and horticulture, lava rocks, pumice rocks, all of that. But yes, y'all, look at this. Oh, look, I'm happy. Yes. Oh my gosh. So this was worth the purchase and worth the wait. I've been seeing these in like 2-inch pots, maybe 4, maybe. And they were like $80 for a 2-inch pot. And I'm like, no. So I just kept waiting. I kept waiting because it's been on my wish list. And finally, I was on the live, just bored. Well, not bored. I just got tired. My eyes got tired of doing diamond art painting with the drills, the little rhinestones. And I'm like, let me just see what's on TikTok. And I followed him, so his live came up. And I'm like, oh, let me see what he had. With no intentions of buying anything, y'all. Yes. This was worth the wait. I also bought my Biliate from them, as well as my Columbia, my Philadelphia Columbia, that is doing very well. It's not in here because it's too big and it's a crawler, so it's on one of our mantles in the living area. So yeah, I'm looking at it on the monitor here. This is beautiful. Wow. Yeah. So that's the unboxing for today, y'all. This was a quick video. I just wanted to I do like to share my my plant mail. I get excited for plant mail, so I hope you guys are excited as well. And let me know in the comments, do you have these plants? Do you find this easy? For those who have Anthurium hearts, Queen of Hearts, is it easy? Is it hard? Is it similar to all the other Anthuriums? Because I have a few Anthuriums already. So is it any different? I have a Magnificum that came. The way they shipped it, it was the way it was it was during a very cold November month, and it didn't do well in the mail, so I'm gonna have to reorder that one. So it's not doing well, but I'm hoping I can, once I repot it, maybe I can salvage some of it and it can come back to its glory. But yeah, let me know any tips. What substrate are you growing your Anthuriums in? I'm going to put this in the soilless mixture, like I have the Mandula and the Marble Queen in. And I feel like I have the Marble Queen, I have the Mandula, and now I have the Snow Queen. I think I'm okay with the variegated Pothos. I love hanging vining plants. You see my mic in. I have the philodendron heart. I'm gonna just have to do a video on my hanging plants because I love them. Yeah, my vining plants. I love the way they vine down. But yeah, so that was it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really, really appreciate you, each and every one of you who take time to watch my videos. It means a lot. This is something that I'm trying for fun. I'm having fun doing it, right? And I'm gonna do it as long as I have fun. And I'm gonna try to get back on schedule. I do have several videos lined up. It's just that, with my husband being sick, it threw me off a bit, but I'm hoping to get back on schedule and to share some other things with you, like my cozy little life outside of these plants, in the living room, doing puzzles, doing diamond painting, all the hobbies this year coming up. I want to focus on just enjoying my different hobbies that I love, not just plants and gardening, but, other things too that stimulate my mind. All right, guys, if you like this video, if you like this content, or if you enjoy this content, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Let me know, do you plan on adding any of these 2 plants into your collection? And if you already have them, let's talk about it. Are you enjoying them? Do you regret the buys, or are you loving them? Like, let me know. This right here, I'm already in love. I'm really, really, really in love with this. This was worth it to me. It was worth the wait. So until next time, guys, please, 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 please find something to take your mind off of everything that's going on in this world. Please protect your mental health. Our mental health is so important right now with everything going on. It's always important, but especially during these times, take care of yourself and take care of your family. And block out the world when you need to. Find something that sparks joy in you. Find something that brings joy and a little bit of happiness in this world, and then share it. Share your passions. Let's talk about the hobbies too that you guys plan on picking up in 2026. I pray that everyone have a blessed new year, and you're probably going to see this video in the new year. It just depends if I can get it uploaded in between now and before the new year ends, but I doubt that. But all right, guys, until next time, take care and God bless and Happy New Year. Toodles. Oh, look at you. This is amazing.